Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shade Ella Kitchen. Today we are going to be making mouth-watering akara. This akara was really delicious, so sit back, continue watching, and let's get started. So guys, in a bowl of water, I'm going to be adding 3 cups of beans. You can use white or brown beans. Anyone is good to go. So I'll go ahead. I've washed my beans. So now I'm just going to start blending my beans. As you can see, I did not add much water to the beans because you don't want your beans to be too watery. If not, it will not be nice when you are making your akara. Just as you can see the way mine is here. So the next step, I'm going to be adding all the ingredients. First, I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, some chopped Scotch bonnet, chopped onions, so the next step, I'm going to give it a nice whisk. You need to whisk your beans very well. This will help the akara not to soak oil. So I'll give it a nice stir. Make sure to mix everything together properly. Then I will test it if all the ingredients is okay. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Then I'll add half an onions. I'm just going to cook the onions in the oil to add the flavor. This aroma of onions is very nice in your akara. So guys, it's time for us to start the frying of the akara. This is the part I really love so much. So you don't want your heat, you don't want it to be too high, rather too low. If it's too high, your akara will be brown outside, but inside will not be cooked. So you just want to control the heat. So I'm just going to make sure to separate all the akara from each other. So guys, as you can see, the akara is floating on top of the oil. It's not sinking to the bottom of the pan. That is because we give it a nice whisk. When you whisk your beans very well, it helps the akara not to soak oil. So I'm just flipping the other side. So our akara is done. I'm going to take it away from the oil and I'll place it in my kitchen napkin to absorb the excess oil. Then I will repeat the process again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and remember to set the notification bell icon to all. That will definitely notify you anytime I upload a new video. And I will see you guys again in my next video with another delicious recipe. Bye bye. Ciao.